Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today's episode is a celebration of Dia de los Muertos. We're going to use these pretty charms that I made and start by coloring these nails this really pretty color, which after you put 2 coats pretty much looks black, but it is purple. We got a short one today, guys. I don't have as much footage as I should. There's a whole reason behind that, but the bottom line is I really feel awful. I've been sick 3 times in 3 months. My body's exhausted. There's just no other way around it. I need to just rest a little bit because otherwise I make mistakes like I made just right there. But what we're doing is drawing out a little sugar skull shape. There's this online poster I saw with the cutest little sugar skull, and so I'm just mimicking the shape of it, not the interior of it, because I'm going to do something a little different, and we're going to use those charms to do it. Because I'm not feeling well, some mistakes were made in this set and in the filming of this set more than anything. And so the only thing I'm going to show you today is doing the sugar skull. And honestly, even if I hadn't made the mistakes, sorry, I had to catch my breath for a second. I don't feel capable today of doing more than the under 6-minute video I have for you today. I'm not at my best. That it's the nicest way to say it. I'm dipping out of frame there just the tiniest bit as I make his little mouth, which is just a little black. What we're doing the art with today is the Vrenmal set. And I do want to discuss something with you guys that's going on with this painting gel that's very troublesome, I guess. I don't, that's not the right word. Problematic is a better word. I didn't show you this, but when I come out of the lamp with this sugar skull, there's a long spike of white polish that was going down from the sugar skull into the nail, or down from, it just, there was a spike of polish there. And I had to drill it off, otherwise I would have had to redo the nail. And I noticed that it happened a few times. When you see the finished set, which there is a full set, and you'll see it at the end, you're just not going to see me do it. You'll see on a couple of the swooshes, it happened as well. Not as long as happened on the sugar skull, but it did happen. And as you can see, I'm making the sugar skull face with these charms. Tell me right there, do you know who Salad Fingers is? He looks a little like Salad Fingers, don't you think? Just a tiny bit. I'm taking that little gem out of there because it didn't fit very well, and I put 2 bigger ones in. Sorry, I was a little out of frame for that. I really apologize. But it's just little Swarovski crystals in the middle of the flowers that I made. And now I'm going to use an upside down black heart that I'm going to drop first. And I'm going to use that for his nose. We're going to place that upside down so it looks like the 2 holes for his nose. There we go. So I don't know what to think about this spikiness that's happening with this gel. And I'm going to do some experiments and I'm going to film them. And if it continues to happen, we'll discuss it. And that will definitely be part of my review of this product. Because the actual drawing with it, great. The way it self-levels when you put it there, great. But it doesn't self-level so much that if you're trying to make a little bulb with it, it won't stay, because it will. It's good, except for that one issue, and I'm going to try to find out what's making it happen. By the way, the eyes on him, if you didn't notice, they're color changing, because I used color changing polish to make them with the builder gel. So I'm just ringing his face in dots, or her face. I don't know, I really don't think my skull has a gender so much. It's just a skull. But if you want to gender them, go ahead. But him is just, you say him because, mankind, whatever. But he's gonna be ringed with the dots, and then we're gonna just go straight to the finished set, guys, because I don't have more footage than this, and there's a whole reason why, but the reason why is I'm sick and I can't seem to shake it because I'm tired. And this is the finished set. I really like how this set came out, but you can see, like on that yellow one on the thumbnail, how that spike came down. That's really disconcerting to me. So I'm going to keep playing with it. But I hope you liked today's video. Let me know what you think below. We're going to see you next time. Bye-bye.